Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2024, then this video is going to help you. 15 Pro Max is last year's flagship phone from Apple. It comes with A16 Pro Bionic chipset, which is very powerful. After the launch of iPhone 16 series, the price of iPhone 15 series have decreased a lot, and you can buy this device global variant at about 1,10,000 rupees for the 256 GB version. So should you buy iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2024? The answer is yes. If you want to buy the 16 series iPhone 16 Pro, you have to pay around 1,20,000 rupees and you will get only 128 GB of internal storage. But here you can get this product or 256 GB variant at 1,10,000 rupees. But in 16 Pro you will get 18 Pro series chipset, which is very powerful compared to last year's iPhone 15's A16 Pro chipset. Plus the cameras of iPhone 15 Pro Max are pro level. You can get 5x telephoto lens along with this, and the picture quality of iPhone 15 Pro Max is next level. As you can see here, the quality of the picture is excellent. There is no added saturation in the picture. You will get true to life pictures, and also videography on iPhone 15 Pro Max is next level. You will get action mode and also next level stabilization with iPhone 15 Pro's camera. Plus 6.7 inches screen will definitely give you a treat to the eyes. As you can see here, there are various modes of taking videos and you can shoot up to 5x, and the quality you can see that is excellent. If you want to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max for videography, you will never regret your decision because this is very good at taking stabilized footages. You can see by yourself the stabilization, and also it is HDR video, so you can upload it on Instagram or YouTube. So if you are planning to buy iPhone 16 Plus, I would say that you should buy iPhone 15 Pro Max instead, because you will get more out of iPhone 15 Pro Max. Only the processor may be a downgrade because it comes with A16 Pro, whereas iPhone 16 Plus comes with A18 chipset. But overall you will get a great package with iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if you want to buy the used iPhone 15 Pro Max, in that case you can get this device at around 90,000 rupees. That is also a great buy. So let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2024.